Hello guys, and today I will show you how to connect your Sonos Era 100 to your PC. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, we need to connect our device to the source of power because unfortunately this version doesn't work without it. We need to take a cable which comes with the device and plug it into the bottom part of the speaker. Right here. After this, we can see on the front part of the speaker this indicator blinking by white. This means the speaker has gone into the Wi-Fi mode. But if we want to connect to our PC, we need to turn on the speaker into the Bluetooth mode. So we rotate our speaker and we need to find this Bluetooth button and hold it until we hear a sound. And now the indicator is blinking by blue. That means your device is ready to pair. Now we need to open settings in our PC and find tab named Bluetooth and devices. Right here you can see this plus, add device. We just click on it and then we need to choose Bluetooth. And now we wait until our device appears at the list. I can see it right here. We just click on it. And after hearing the sound, it means your speaker has successfully connected to your PC. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.